Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a 3-layered video edit in CapCut PC. It's super simple. You're just going to add your video, and I'm just going to go to the frame ratio here, and I'm just going to select the 9:16 one, and I'm just going to adjust it so the size is kind of like this. I'm going to add video, and I'm just going to add it on top of each other. And I am going to zoom in a little bit more. So I'm just going to zoom in here, and I'm going to zoom in again, and I'm going to zoom in again, and just scaling it up a little bit so that it fits the whole frame. And that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!